Computers weren't widely used, and CAD was still an ingenious concept. Engineers and architects made layouts and designs using manual techniques and drafters. Being able to draw was essential for architects. Over time, things changed, and the sector started looking for better solutions. In the 1960s, computer programs that assisted architects in creating straightforward structures garnered much interest. The first software to succeed commercially was Sketchpad. By 1963, Sketchpad was well known. Using Sketchpad, users could draw lines and drag items across the computer's display. The quest to develop better CAD software is still ongoing. Before computer-aided design, or CAD, architects had to sketch their ideas manually. This tedious work could result in errors or delays and cost a lot. Computer-aided drawing makes it easy to revise and edit. It allows architects to save design elements and plans. You can make revisions without needing to start again. CAD's accuracy and precision enable architects to produce more streamlined and intricate designs. The computer-aided design makes it easy to share strategies and collaborate through cloud-based CAD. Thanks to CAD technology, architects can produce intricate designs more quickly than with pen and paper. The many benefits of CAD software are numerous. According to research, integrated CAD software helps speed up the design process of product development. Product development is accelerated, product quality is raised, productivity is presented, and manufacturing costs are decreased using CAD. CAD software enables designers to reduce production costs, increase productivity, and expedite project completion. Businesses can have smaller teams because designers can do their jobs faster. Companies can produce high-quality, low-cost goods more quickly and make adjustments as needed. This is an essential advantage in a competitive international market. The issues facing architects today have changed. The aim of today's communities, homes, buildings, and cities is intelligence. Computer-aided design is more critical than ever. The latest software allows designers to program the environment to interact and influence the structure. For example, a smart home should be able to adjust the temperature based on outside temperatures. Design should allow an internal state to be affected by external forces. These simulations are only possible with software. A designer can develop a three-dimensional model that accurately depicts real life using software that can execute complicated algorithms and calculate massive mathematical expressions in real time. These are resumes of computer-aided designers that show typical tasks they might perform in their positions. By allocating requests with the highest priority and coordinating between engineering and drafting workers, you may control the engineering change notice process. Supervise and manage other drafters. Make a product using PTC Creo Direct/Elements and Parametric that fixes the chair's height adjustment issue. Primarily used Pro E with some AutoCAD. Both Intralink as well as Windchill are available for collaboration. You can use a computer application to make plans and sketches of distinctive grille designs that fit into glass windows. Create sections, 3D views, schedules, schematics, and other information that meets building information modeling requirements.